How do you produce millions of jars of Nutella, perfectly wrap every Ferrero Rocher in gold, and still deliver the same taste and quality every time, across more than 170 countries? The answer isn't just tradition, it's automation. Inside Ferrero's global production network, you'll find a world of precision engineering, robotics, and data-driven control systems, all working behind the scenes to keep up with enormous demand while preserving the brand's iconic quality. From robotic arms that wrap delicate chocolates at lightning speed, to AI-powered sensors that monitor every batch of hazelnut spread, Ferrero's factories are a seamless blend of craftsmanship and industrial intelligence. But how does a chocolate factory operate like a tech hub? How do they ensure every product meets the highest standards without slowing down? And what role does automation play in getting sweet products from the factory floor to supermarket shelves worldwide? Do you want answers? Watch the full video to get them. Automation in Nutella production. Nutella isn't just a household name, it's a global product with a fan base spanning continents. Behind its creamy consistency and signature flavor lies one of the most tightly controlled and highly automated food production processes in the industry. In Ferrero's Nutella factories, automation begins long before the jars are filled. The core ingredients, hazelnuts, cocoa, milk powder, sugar, and oil, are stored in large silos, each connected to a fully automated dosing system. These systems draw exact amounts of raw material and feed them into massive industrial mixers. Every batch is prepared with precise ratios calculated by software based on real-time inventory, product specs, and production targets. Once in the mixer, the process becomes even more controlled. Temperature sensors ensure the mixture stays within the optimal thermal window to preserve flavor and prevent separation. Viscosity meters monitor the creaminess of the spread in real time, adjusting agitation speed or ingredient flow if needed. High-shear blenders break down particles to microscale, giving Nutella its famously smooth texture. And all of this happens without a single manual adjustment, thanks to automated process control systems that constantly analyze data and make micro-adjustments. Once the spread is ready, it's piped through sterile, closed-loop systems to the filling stations. These lines are fully automated and run with incredible speed and consistency. CNC-controlled filling nozzles ensure each jar receives the exact volume, down to the gram. Non-contact lid placement and sealing systems keep the product contamination-free. Robotic arms move jars from filling to labeling to packaging in a continuous flow without human handling. What's most impressive is how Ferrero ensures batch consistency across thousands of units. Each stage of the Nutella line is linked to a central data system that records process variables in real time: temperature, timing, ingredient ratios, torque on mixing motors, and more. This allows Ferrero to trace every jar back to its exact production conditions. If something drifts even slightly, a pump slowing down, an ingredient delay, a change in moisture, automated systems catch it immediately. Operators are alerted, adjustments are made, and nothing leaves the factory floor without passing those tight standards. This isn't just food production, it's culinary engineering at industrial scale, made possible by the fusion of automation, data, and decades of refinement. High-speed packaging of Ferrero Rocher. When you think of Ferrero Rocher, you don't just think of chocolate. You think of that signature gold foil, the intricate paper cup, the transparent dome packaging. Every element screams luxury. But what most people don't realize is that this level of elegance is powered by automation. Ferrero Rocher's packaging process is a perfect example of how robotics can deliver both beauty and precision at scale. The chocolate itself is delicate. Each hazelnut-filled ball needs to be handled gently, with zero pressure points, no smudging, no deformation, and it all happens at industrial speeds. In Ferrero's packaging lines, the workflow begins the moment the cooled chocolates exit the production tunnel. They're automatically aligned on conveyors and separated into perfect spacing by optical positioning systems. Then multi-axis robotic arms pick up each rocher using soft-tip grippers that apply just enough pressure to hold, but never damage, the product. From there, the packaging choreography begins. Thin gold foil sheets are fed into the system by precision rollers. Each chocolate is wrapped, twisted, and sealed by robotic actuators that rotate and crimp the foil with artisan-like consistency. Chocolates are placed into branded paper cups, then sorted into trays using machine vision to confirm orientation and spacing. Robotics sorters group the correct number of units for each SKU, 6-pack, 12-pack, gift box, or seasonal edition. One of the standout features is Ferrero's use of AI-powered inspection systems. Cameras scan each wrapped chocolate to check for imperfections, tears in the foil, alignment issues, uneven folds, or product shape irregularities. Any unit that doesn't meet exact appearance standards is gently removed from the line and rerouted for rewrapping or quality review. The system learns from its own detection patterns, improving over time to catch even smaller defects. The packaging line runs at incredibly high speeds, thousands of units per hour, yet the result is uniform, consistent, and premium. Every box that rolls off the line looks like it was packed by hand, but in reality, it's the product of carefully tuned robotics and relentless quality control. This is where Ferrero's commitment to luxury meets engineering discipline. Packaging isn't just protection, it's presentation. And with automation, Ferrero delivers both millions of times over without ever cutting corners. Automated quality control and traceability. In the world of food manufacturing, quality control isn't just about meeting expectations, it's about protecting trust. And for a global brand like Ferrero, that means every gram of chocolate, every drop of Nutella, and every wrapped rocher must meet uncompromising standards. That level of consistency simply isn't possible without automation. And Ferrero's factories are equipped with some of the most advanced quality control systems in the food industry. Here's how it works. Every step of production, from raw material intake to final packaging, is governed by a network of real-time sensors, cameras, and data systems. Inline vision systems check every product for shape, size, color, and surface texture. Weight sensors confirm that each jar of Nutella is filled within micrograms of target weight. Thermal and viscosity sensors verify cooking conditions in real time, ensuring every batch is consistent with Ferrero's flavor and texture standards. And when an error is detected, it's not left to chance. Automated rejection systems instantly remove defective units from the line without stopping production. Suspect items are routed to a separate inspection lane or discarded according to strict food safety protocols. The system flags the anomaly, stores the event data, and ties it back to the batch number within seconds. This leads to Ferrero's second automation advantage: full traceability. Every raw ingredient, every production run, every finished product is logged with a unique digital footprint. This includes batch numbers linked to ingredient origin, for example, hazelnut supplier, milk powder lot. Time-stamped records for temperature, mixing speed, line speed, machine torque, and operator interaction. Packaging line tracking, including shift data, machine ID, and packaging specs. If an issue ever arises, whether during internal audits, a regulatory inspection, or a rare consumer complaint, Ferrero can trace the product back through its entire production lifecycle. This not only ensures faster resolution, but it reinforces Ferrero's position as a company that takes quality seriously every step of the way. And because this system is fully automated, it operates 24/7 with no delays, no gaps, and no blind spots. The result? A factory that not only produces sweets with consistency, but one that can prove at any moment that every product meets Ferrero's gold standard: integrated logistics and global distribution. In a company like Ferrero, production is only half the equation. The other half? Getting millions of products to the right place at the right time in perfect condition. That's where Ferrero's automated logistics systems come into play, turning sweet production into a global supply chain powerhouse. Across Ferrero's smart factories, movement is driven by automated guided vehicles, AGVs, and intelligent conveyor systems. These AGVs don't just transport trays of Nutella or boxes of Rocher. They're deeply integrated with Ferrero's digital manufacturing execution system, MES. As products are packaged, each unit is scanned and assigned a destination based on current inventory needs, order priority, global distribution schedules, retailer or market-specific packaging requirements. AGVs then transport these products to automated palletizing stations, where robotic arms stack boxes according to shipping configurations. Pallets are shrink-wrapped, labeled, and queued up for outbound logistics, all without human handling. Every pallet, box, and unit is logged into Ferrero's central logistics platform, which syncs with global warehouses and distribution partners in real time. This level of control enables Ferrero to optimize delivery routes based on current demand, scale output instantly during seasonal spikes, like holidays or product launches, reduce warehouse waste and delays through real-time inventory visibility, ensure compliance with international packaging, labeling, and safety requirements. This isn't just smart, it's strategic. By integrating automation into logistics, Ferrero keeps its supply chain fast, accurate, and responsive. Whether it's delivering Nutella to Tokyo or Rocher to Sao Paulo, from mixing hazelnuts with perfect consistency to wrapping golden chocolates with robotic precision, Ferrero has transformed confectionery into a technological art form. Its factories aren't just producing sweets, they're executing thousands of micro-decisions every minute, using data, robotics, and digital control systems to deliver quality at global scale. Automation doesn't replace the magic of Ferrero, it ensures it. It guarantees that every jar, every box, and every bite delivers exactly what the brand promises. Perfection, every time. If you enjoyed this look behind the scenes of one of the world's most iconic food brands, give the video a like, subscribe for more smart manufacturing stories, and drop a comment. Would you trust a robot to make your chocolate? This video is produced by Autom8, the platform connecting robot and PLC programmers with companies building the future of automation. Visit autom8deal.com to stay ahead in the world of industrial tech.